After having the first thoughts of how the pottery wheel was going to work, I started to design its structure using the washing machine pieces. First, I made the base structure, sewing the washing machine case. For this process, I didn't have the appropriate tools, so I asked my friend Adri for his tools and help. With the base structure assembled, I add a wooden board and make two heights to make the structure more stable. The lower part that had been sewn was sharp, so I decided to cover it with some plastic. Later, with another wooden board, I made the top base of the structure. I screw it with the adjustable feet of the washing machine. Piece 2 of the washing machine is going to work as the splash pan for the pottery wheel. For more security, I decided to assemble the motor there, in its original position. I also decided to make a hole in the splash pan to drain the excess of water. I used piece 5 as a drain hose. Then I joined piece 1, that is a support, using screws from the washing machine with the throwing bat that is made of wood. I took the measurements of the splash pan to fix it in the base structure. I used furniture risers obtained of a washing machine. Then I add the throwing bat and the pulley, connecting them through the hole of the splash pan. The motor and the pulley are connected through the transmission belt. Having all the structure assembled, I added the cable network. I also did a hole for the black wire. The next thing was to connect the speed controllers and place them on one side of the pottery wheel. I connected an on-off switch. And finally, I built a case to protect all the wires inside of it.